So, how are we pricing our modules for students to access? What are these classes? A little bit about CS Mentor, our team. Hello, friends, and welcome back to another episode of CS Mentor. In today's video, I'm super excited to announce to you that the CS Mentor team has prepared the classes for the CS executive level. So, in today's video, we're going to be looking at what are these classes, a little bit about CS Mentor, our team, and more importantly, about the course as well as what students can expect from this course. All right, so when we look at who we are as CS Mentor, well, first and foremost, I would like to tell you that our teachers, our faculties, our experienced faculties who've gone through the course ourselves and are presenting these courses for you so that you will be able to study better and crack your exams well. So, if you are going to be taking classes with us, what can you expect? First and foremost, I'd like to inform you that all the classes are purely in English. And I think a lot of students face this difficulty because a lot of classes are either in Hindi or are in a mixed language in their regional languages. So that's the first thing. We offer classes completely in English. And more importantly, I think it's important that you should be able to study from anywhere. And that is exactly what we have designed these classes to provide. All right, so if you have to look a little bit more about ourselves, the courses that we will be covering is the CS executive courses of the 2022 syllabus. And these classes would be applicable for both the June attempt as well as the December attempt. However, through this video, I will be showing timelines for the June attempt only. And who are these courses really designed for? Well, the students that we had in mind were all the students who are unable to attend physical classes or even working professionals who are trying to crack the CS course while also maintaining their jobs. You see, these courses are available to you in your phone and wherever you go. Plus, there are also many students who are reattempting their modules because they didn't clear in the past, and it would be good to have a quick access to all the classes when you are preparing for your modules again. So you see, friends, for all of you who fall under these categories, we have ensured that this course is a complete coverage of the ICSI module, and it is completely in English. So you will be able to cover page by page and every single topic with respect to your ICSI module. Now, when we look at some timelines with respect to our June attempt, and please be specific over here, I'm not talking about the December attempt. We will maybe do a little bit of an explanation of the December attempt later on. But with respect to June 2026, first and foremost, you must have registered yourself. Now, if you are writing your exam, you're writing both modules in June 2026, then you should have already finished registration in November 30th, 2025 itself. But if you are eligible only for one module, then you still have time until January 31st, 2026 to be able to write a single module. Now, let's say you have completed your registration. The very next step that you should start taking is start enrolling for classes. I know many students think that they can study on their own, but having classes and having expert guidance to to guide you will help you study faster. You see, when you end up studying on your own, and I'm not saying that it's not possible, you can study on your own. It will just take you much longer to finish. And honestly, you should have completed all of your studies by April 2026 itself. Because by May 2026, you should already be in the timeline of revisions, tests, further revisions, any topics that you didn't study, all of that. And since we can put this timeline at literally only 4 months, that's a little less time to be able to do these classes on your own. And then finally, we know that the examination starts on June 1st itself, June 1st, 2026. All right. So, what is the CS Executive course? We have classes at CS Mentor for both the Module 1 as well as Module 2 papers. We have jurisprudence, company law, setting up, and corporate accounting and financial management at the Module 1. And we provide classes for ECL, that's your economic, commercial, and IPL laws, as well as capital market laws with respect to your Module 2. Okay. So, how are we pricing our modules for students to access? If you want a single individual subject, it is priced at 3,999. And if you want the combo classes, module 1 is priced at 14,999, that is almost 15,000, and the module 2 classes are priced at 6,999. Now, if you want access to both module 1 and module 2 classes, then we provide that option also. Now, please understand that these classes are available only till the 10th of June 2026. So it is valid for exactly till the date that your exams get over. Please be aware that these classes are purely recorded classes and in English, and any amendments that are available, once it becomes available, it will be made available to you in the app. And the notes are provided for students for easier access so that they can access both the module as well as the notes. Now, are there any additional courses that you can find out? Yes, the additional courses are there in the app, and all the links are provided in the description below itself. But if you wish to know how you can access these apps, then the best suggestion is that you can access the app through the Android devices as well as iOS devices. Now, please keep this in mind. For the Android devices, you can simply type CS Mentor and the logo that you see will appear before you. You can download the app and you can access the courses. But for Apple users, whether this is through your phone or through your tab or whatever be the case, you need to download the My Institute app. Okay, the My Institute app, and then it will ask for an organization code. When you're asked the organization code, you can simply type in this organization code over here, and then you will get access to the same classes just like the Android users. So friends, don't wait. Go ahead, download the app, check out the trial videos, check out the demo classes, and see if you can enroll as soon as possible, because like I said, the timelines that are provided for us are only 4 months. We have time only up until April 2026 to finish studying so that we can start preparing for our revisions and tests later on. So, if you found this video helpful, then if you found this video helpful, please take note of all of the links below. We have a WhatsApp group, we have a Telegram group. You're already at the YouTube channel over here. Plus, you can always contact us at the number provided below as well as an email. So that's all from my side, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.